fellas, what are you up to? Do you even know your sewing tool have angles as well? No? That's surprising. No problem. I will tell you its importance while solving that pal's question. So let's go. According to image reference, the purse is in circular shape. So we can easily make a quick replica of it. I am making a circle with a circumference of 15 inches. That will be enough to learn. Now let's copy paste it for the opposite side. Our circumference was 15 and we have to decide its height so that our purse can stand. So I will make it 1.5 inch. Now it's time to set the pattern in 3D window to make it easy. So that is for extra information. Now let's quickly move on to the next part. I am doing the stitching quickly using free sewing tool. So the stitching is done and yes, it's puffy too. Let me unstrengthen that pattern cause now I don't need that. Oh, my puffer shape is all flat now. I don't need that option. What to do? I wish to tell you about sewing angle, no issue. I will still do that. Select the sewing that connects circle with rectangle by using Edit Sewing tool. Now in Property Editor under Sewing Line Type, we have fold angle about which I want to tell you. So let's see what will happen if we will make it 0. Oh, it's puffy. Now just like the purse in image. So my pal, to solve your problem you can make your fold angle to 180 because it was flat and perfect at that time. But what if I make it 360? It's little inward because of that value. So this is how angle works. But strengthen isn't the same. It will make our purse like a cake. So as much I can see in image you have strengthened some part too. Which means that could also be the reason for the curvy angle of your sewing. So you should unstrengthen that part if you want to see the perfect look of your purse. Hope we are able to resolve your trouble and you can easily understand what sewing angle is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here and keen to learn new things, subscribe to this channel. Till then, I am off to find a new topic for you to learn. Hola!